Hello guys, this is my second video of my web application project. Today I am going to discuss about the connection between my web application and the database. So here you can see the database which I have created using MySQL workbench. In here there are 6 tables and I named the database as eShop. So in the first table, user table, you can see there are many data in here. First email, first name, last name, password, mobile, join date, verification code, status. In each field I have used a varchar data type in email, first name, last name, password, mobile and the verification code. In join date I use date time data type and status I have used integer data type. Then again I create another table as gender table. Then I have connected the gender table to the user table using one-to-many relation. Then again I have created the city table and district table, province table, and all these tables are connected to each other using one-to-many relation. Then the address table. Then I have connected the address table to the user table and city table using one-to-many relation. So finally you can have the user has address table. In the address table I have used ID, line 1 and line 2. In each line 1 and line 2 I have used text data type as my data type. So this is my connection part. I have created a new PHP file as connection. Then in this connection code I have used a class called database, and in this database class I have created a static variable named as connection. Then I have created a function called setup connection. In this setup connection function, using this phrase, it means that if a connection is not made between my application and the database, then create a new connection using this phrase. In this phrase you can see I have created connection between my web application and the database. Here this one is the database host type, and this one is the admin name. Then this one is the password for my database, and this is my database name, and this is the database port. In here I have created a function called IUD, and IUD. In this IUD means insert, update and delete. Then again I have connect the database to the web application. Then I have again I have connect the query to the connection part. In this function, this is the search function. In this from this search function you can search items or things from the database. Okay, then in this index.php means my home page. In here I have used the database connection to select gender wise. In here I have used a PHP code to connect between my application and the database to select whether male or female. In here you can see I have used a PHP code to identify my ID. Then again I have used a PHP code to identify the gender name. In this database in this gender table I have created gender name and ID. Then I have then I will show how I enter details to my gender table. In here, this is my database, eShop database, and in this table I can choose gender table. In this gender table, as you can see, there are three inputs. First ID is the male, then the second ID is female, then the third ID is other. From this gender table, the values are going to come to this place using this code, and value name and value ID and the value name can be chosen from this code. Next, I am going to talk about my index file. Here I have created an alert function in here, and I have named my labels. I have assigned some IDs to my labels. Then I have gained access to my labels using this code, using the IDs which I have assigned. Then again I have created the form, new form, because I am going to pass my details using Ajax method. In here you can see I have passed my details using the post connection method, and I have used Ajax method to pass my details. Next, next I am going to talk about sign up process file. In here I have get the access to my labels using these codes, using the IDs which I have assigned earlier. Then I have write this code to then I have write this code in here. If the first name is empty, then alert will be executed as please enter your first name. As likewise, in every field you will get a alert message. Using this code, I have write a search query in my database to find information when I need it. I will show the alert message option. If I click sign up button, yeah, you can see that please enter your first name, because in here my first name field is empty. As you can see that it gives a alert as please enter your first name. If I enter something on my first name, then again I click sign up, then you will see please enter your last name. That means you have to fill all the fields in here to get a success alert. I will show how I As you can see, if I enter the correct details, you can see the success message alert. So this is the end of my video. Thank you.